What is going on, guys? Welcome to my tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to configure SLA policies. The key benefit of SLA policies is to ensure high priority tickets are resolved within a specified time frame. So we will go to the admin center, objects and rules. We will go to service level agreements. We will click on create policy. We will create a name of high priority ticket. For the sake of this tutorial, we will just put the same description for now. We'll click on next. We will go to conditions. We will add a condition ticket. We will select type, operator is, value, problem. We will click on next. So we will select the reply matrix now. We will add a target. First time reply, we will give, let's say, 1 hour. Add. We will also update the resolution matrix. So let's say the total time that this has to be resolved should be in, let's say, 24 hours. And here we go, guys. Boom, save. We have it. That's how easy it was to create an SLA. If you made it to the end of this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. If you also want me to show you anything specific, or if you require any specific tutorial in Zendesk, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.